Welcome to Learn English Smoothly. Today, I have a question for you. Have you ever said something in English, and someone gave you a confused look? Grinning face with sweat. Maybe you said, he go to school. Or, I am agree. Don't worry. Many English learners make these mistakes. But today, we're going to fix them, together. So stay with me until the end and improve your English fast. Let's begin with mistake number 1. You've probably said it many times. Mistake 1. He go to school. He goes to school. Why? In simple present tense, when the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. Mistake 2. I am agree. I agree. Why? Agree is a verb that means to have the same opinion as someone else. In English, we say I agree, not I am agree. Am is only used before adjectives, like I am happy, not verbs like agree. Mistake 3. She have a car. She has a car. Why? In simple present tense, the verb have changes to has for he, she, it. Have means to own or possess something. Mistake 4. I didn't know. I didn't know. Why? Did already shows past tense, so the verb knew must return to its base form, know. Using both did and knew makes it double past, which is grammatically wrong. Example. Incorrect, I didn't went to school. Correct, I didn't go to school. Mistake 5. He can sings. He can sing. Why? Can is a modal verb used to show ability or possibility. After can, we never add s, even if the subject is he, she, or it. The verb must stay in the base form, sing, go, eat, etc. Mistake 6. She is teacher. She is a teacher. Why? In English, when we talk about someone's job, we must use an article like a or an before the job title. Teacher is a countable noun, so we need a before it. Mistake 7. He is married with her. He is married to her. Why? After the word married, we use the preposition to, not with. The correct phrase is, married to someone. Mistake 8. I am going to home. I am going home. Why? The word home acts like an adverb of place in this sentence, not a regular noun. So, we do not need to before it. We say go home, not go to home. Mistake 9. I am boring. I am bored. Why? Bored means you feel tired or not interested in what's happening. Boring means something or someone that causes boredom. So, if you say I am boring, it means you make others feel bored, which is probably not what you mean. Mistake 10. I am living here since 2 years. I have been living here for 2 years. Why? Use present perfect continuous tense, have slash has been plus verb ing, when an action started in the past and is still happening now. The word since is used with a specific starting point, e.g. since 2020, and for is used with a duration, e.g. for 2 years. I am living is present continuous, which is used for actions happening only right now, not for something continuing from the past. Mistake 11. I am having 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. Why? Have means to possess or to own something. When talking about family, relationships, or things we own, we use have in the simple present tense, not in the present continuous, am having. I am having is only used in special cases like having lunch or having fun, but not with family members. Did you make any of these mistakes before? Don't worry, now you know the correct way. Learning from mistakes is the best way to improve. Comment below and tell me which one was new for you. And if you want more easy English lessons, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye bye.